Hello, dear students. I am Professor Nitin Karoulia from Sagar Institute of Research and Technology Excellence, Bhopal. The topic that we are going to discuss today is for BBA first year students enrolled in Barkatullah University, and the topic is from the Principles and Practices of Management, Unit 2, and the topic is Types of Planning. Now we discuss the types of planning. Planning is, we have already discussed in the previous lecture that planning is the first and foremost and most important function of management. It involves deciding in advance what to do, how to do, when to do, and who will do it. There are different types of planning based on the time, the level, scope, and the purpose. First, we discuss the types of planning on the basis of time frame. On the basis of time frame, the planning is categorized into three heads: short-term planning, medium-term planning, and long-term planning. Short-term planning is made for a short period of time, usually up to 1 year. It focuses on immediate goals and day-to-day operations. For example, we can take the monthly sales plan or quarterly production targets of any organization. Medium-term planning, this covers a period of 1 to 5 years. It acts as a link between short-term and long-term plans. Example can be taken like expanding a product line within 3 years. Long-term planning. This type of planning is made for more than 5 years. It focuses on the overall growth and future direction of the organization. Example can be expanding business operations to other countries over 10 years. Now we discuss the types of planning on the basis of level of management. On the basis of the level of management, planning can be categorized into three heads: strategic planning, tactical planning, and operational planning. Strategic planning is done by the top management. It focuses on the overall objectives and long-term direction of the organization. Example can be deciding to enter a new market or start a new business division. Tactical planning. This is done by middle management. It focuses on how to implement the strategies set by the top management. Example can be creating a marketing plan to support the company's new product launch. Operational planning. This is done by lower level managers or supervisors. It focuses on day-to-day activities and short-term tasks. Now we discuss the types of planning based on scope or nature of planning. First is financial planning. The financial planning deals with the management of financial resources like budgeting and investment decisions. Next is marketing plan. It involves planning marketing activities such as pricing, promotion, and distribution. Production planning focuses on production schedules, inventory, and resource utilization. Human resource plan. This involves estimating manpower requirements, recruitment, and training. Technology or IT planning. This involves planning for technological needs and IT systems in the organization. Now we discuss the types of planning on the basis of use or frequency of planning. So under this head, we can bifurcate the plans into single-use planning and standing plans. Single-use plans are made for one-time projects or events and are not repeated. Example can be planning a company event or launching a new product. Standing plans are used repeatedly for routine activities. They include policies, procedures, and rules. Example can be company policy on employee attendance or customer service procedure or replacement policy or travel policy for the employees. Another is a contingency plan. This type of planning is made to deal with unexpected situations or emergencies. It prepares the organization to handle sudden changes effectively. Example can be a backup plan in case of supply chain disruption or a technical failure. So that is all in today's lecture on types of planning. In the next lecture, we will be doing the process of planning. Thanks for watching.